family, welcome to LITFX. I'm so excited after a very long break on social media, especially YouTube. I haven't been recording anything, so I was refining my urge. I was making sure that everything's being in line, because after some time I wasn't getting that result I wanted. So I've refined it, and well, keep refining it. Is not yet the best, but as for now, I'm going to share with you what I've seen, what I've studied from other people, and how I'm creating my edge on the market. Let me give you a piece of advice. You ought to have your edge in this market. Let me see, I'm sure it's recording, right? All right. You have to have your edge in the market. You know, you have to create, you have to know yourself in the market. You have to have your own entries in the market. You have to have your own exit in the market, understand the market. So I trade mostly just a few pair. I trade a pound USD, I trade Euro USD. I trade mostly the divergent pairs, whether be it negative or positive. Are you following? Whether be it negative or positive. If two pairs, I released a divergent video before. If you can go there, about some months back, if you can go there, I'll put the link along when I'm editing the video. All right, I trade divergent pairs that correlate together. You understand? If it is positive, they will be doing the same stuff. Once I start seeing one is creating a higher high while the other is creating a lower high, then I am expecting to go either short or long. And not only that, I also have some strategies. I look some chart patterns and candle pattern that I look in the market, so that can help me. Some conferences I look in the market, so they can help me get into it. Okay, let me show you how I got this trade the third week into October. Okay, the third week into October, and I'll show you the proof of them all. Okay, all right, let's dive into it. The week started, as you can see, we are on a 30-minute time frame on GbpUsd. The week started. As the week started, you can see that we had a push, a very massive push up, very bullish. By the way, I don't trade on Monday, except in rare cases if I see a very good setup. Okay, like this one was actually definitely a good setup. Coming from Friday, Friday opened somewhere around here, then it closed some here. So I was either waiting for the break of this or the break of this to tell me how the week is going to look like. Okay, how the week is going to look like. So on this particular day, on this particular week, we had a break of Thursday, Friday, previous day, Friday high, and Thursday high as well. So that is already two conferences. This is as you can see, here is Friday. Let me remove some of these things so that you can see better. What should I remove for now? I will put them back so that it can be clear. Let me put back this one. All right, killer zones, so that you can see where Friday lies. Even the separators too, the weekly separators, which is good. Okay, this is my week. This is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and this is Friday. This is Friday high, which was broken, and we have Thursday high. Let's zoom in so that you can see as well. Let's zoom in. This is Thursday high as well, that was broken. Okay, Thursday high that was broken. So I wait for two things, and my strategy tells me one of the things I've learned I've learned strategies along the line too. I've learned from kudos to ICT, kudos to Stacy Berg, and others. Okay, let's go. That mostly Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday will definitely give you the high of the week. High probability will happen that Tuesday and Wednesday, they are going to give you the high of the week. Right? The high of the week will always happen 80% of the time, Tuesday and Wednesday. But you can see from this week, this is the week from here, from the 15th of October to the 24th of October. That is our week range. This is it here. So as you can see, oh guys, sorry about that. I'm outside and you can hear a plane passing by. Okay. Let me apologize ahead of time because we are going to get this almost every time because I'm in an area near the airport. Okay. All right. We have Friday high broken. We have Thursday high, previous week high broken. Right. Let me just abbreviate these things. Here is Thursday preview, Thursday high, Thursday high, then this is Friday high. Okay, all right, it has been broken, right? And based on my strategy, each time I see a previous day broken, or 2 previous days broken, or a weekly high broken, I should be anticipating a reversal in the market. Are we together? I should be anticipating a reversal in the market. So right now, on this Monday, would have been a very good day to take a shot. As you can see, Friday and Thursday was broken, and we have an M pattern at the top of the day into a high supply zone, higher time frame supply zone, higher time frame supply zone. Okay, let me just I'll show you guys later on. Higher time frame supply zone. All right, as you can see, then I have my M pattern. Here is my M pattern, as you can see here. M pattern, up, down, then it engulfed the second leg, engulfed the pin candle. This is our pin candle here. Let me zoom in so that you can see better. Yes, my pin candle, this bearish candle engulfed this, and here would have been our entry here. Stop here, then you take your simple 50 pips. Here we go, 1 to 2, simple, 1 to 2, simple, 50, let's say 55 pips. I usually take 51 for my broker, 51 pips. Pop the 1 pip there, I take 50 pips a day, as Stacy always says. 50 pips a day will make you a lot of cash. And let's look at the sweet spot on this Monday. You discover that this is the 0 level. It broke the 0 level, got into the 25 quarter level. Yeah, as you can see, the time here. This is a 50 quarter level. Got in there, rejected, give us an M pattern. You get this, you go. Simple. You get your 50, 55 pips, you get out of the market. Okay? Yeah, that's how we roll. So this is a clean setup for me on a Monday. Very clean, straight and simple forward. All right, let's move forward. All right, let's go forward. So I got up on Tuesday, I looked at the chart, I now see, all right, we have break on previous 2 days highs, then we have an M pattern coming down. So at this particular time now, I'm waiting to see if we are going to have a break. But on Tuesday, we start seeing a rundown going down of the market, telling us that it's not going to break Tuesday high for possibility of a continuation higher. It came down, fell down. I didn't see an entry on Tuesday. For me, my strategy, I didn't see an entry on Tuesday. So Wednesday, still I didn't see an entry, but on the 15 minutes. 15 minutes, because my strategy tells me when breaks a recent high or a recent low, then you can take a trade. Tuesday will have been a good day to take a long on the 15 minutes. As you can see, I switch here. New York session. My New York session starts at 3. Actually, for me, it starts at 3, right? As you can see right there, we have a 1, 2, 3 pin bar and govern. You enter your trade. You enter your trade here. You enter your trade here. Then you have your 50 pips. Here we go. 50 pips, 51 pips. Then you get out of the market. Okay, as simple as that. As simple as that. So I don't know what happened. I didn't see this trade, but it's okay, no problem. All right, I didn't see the trade. That's okay, no problem. On Wednesday, and there's this one concept that I've learned from Stacy. I'm going to tell you about that daily count. Yeah, daily count. Yep. 1, 2, 3 daily count. Yep, daily count. Okay, you have that trade. Wednesday open. This is Wednesday. Wednesday starts from here. This is it from midnight. Then this is my Asian. This is my actually, sorry about that. My New York starts from I don't know which time Asian start. That's none of my concern. My New York, London session, I trade strictly London section from 2 a.m. to 5 a.m. New York time, Eastern time, and I trade. That's London. London starts at 2 a.m. to 5 a.m. New York Eastern time, and my New York session starts from 7 a.m. to 11 a.m. Starts from 7 a.m. to 11 a.m. So, all right. So that's the demarcation of this aqua lines you see here, and this gray, and part of this red. Okay. So Wednesday came, I didn't see any setup as well. I waited, and the end of Wednesday, I saw that we are still on the downward trend, giving us the low on Wednesday. The low on Wednesday for the week, but getting on Thursday, which Thursday is always a reversal day for me. It's always a reversal day for me. Okay, it's always a reversal day. This is where I took my trades of the week. Okay, my trades of the week. All right, here we go. So on Thursday now, I got up, I saw how the market was playing. This game is a game of patience. It's a game of what? Patience. Please guys, I don't know how many times how long I'm going to, I can emphasize this. But guys, Monday I didn't have a trade, Tuesday I didn't have a trade, Wednesday I didn't have a trade, but on Thursday, imagine I had 3 trades. 3 trades. Can you imagine that? 3 good trades. All right, let's analyze this. On Thursday now, I get up, I see the market goes up, break Asian high, break the Asian high, but doesn't give me a setup. My setup is wait for 3 pattern, wait for 1, 2, 3, push, pin bar, engulfment, you enter. Okay, coming down, I see the market go reverses and takes Asian low, takes previous day low. Then I wait, then I see a pin, an indecisive candle, this candle, indecisive candle. I say, okay, let's wait and see what will happen. Then I see the next candle becomes bullish, then it breaks the indecisive candle here, then it takes the previous candle high. Then I knew that we are good for a reversal, and it's what is below the 0 level. Here is my 0 level, these dotted lines, blue dotted lines. Okay, then I took my trade. On the 30 minutes, let me see what happened. Okay, on the 30 minute, this is actually what made me take this trade. On the 30 minute, I have a 1, 2, 3 pin bar engulfment, break above the 0 level, and then pulls back, right? Pulls back, gave me an entry. So I waited for the entry. I waited for the entry at this last bearish candle. This last bearish candle's high, as you can see. There we go. As you can see, there we go. I enter my trade. Then I targeted the recent high, which gave me my 51 pips. I was done. Then the next one, this next trade, I believe it was on the 15 minutes. This next trade, okay. This next trade was, let me check 5 minutes. Okay, let me check 5 minutes. Okay, I took this on a 5 minute. Okay, I took this on the 5 minute. All right, on the 5 minute, this is what I saw. I saw at the top, after drawing, let's go back a little bit. Let me show you my trend line. After seeing a continuation of lower lows and higher lows and lower lows, higher lows and lower lows, higher lows and lower till Friday, I discovered that it gave us a good trend descending, whatsoever it's called. I draw this trend line. I draw this trend line, and price got there on the 5 minute, gave me on the 5 minute, gave me a 1, 2, 3 pin bar engulfment. But this thing is open, sweet spot is open. Why is it not showing here? Okay, it's above there. Okay, 1, 2, 3 pin bar engulfing. Then on the lower time frame, there was a gap here on the 1 minute time frame. I don't want to go there, it's going to take a lot of time. 1 minute here, there was gap at this particular point. I'm sure there was a break of structure, then there was a gap. I entered at this area. I entered here. It retested, came back, then took me at break even, okay, after moving to my desired direction. So I waited again. Okay, break even, whatever is okay. So I waited again. It pushed, and went up. Then on the I believe I took this trade on the 15 minute. Yeah, on the 15 minute, guess what happened? Guess what happened? The same. You can't make this. One of my friends usually say you can't make this shit up. You can't make this thing up. Okay, on the 15 minute, you see what I get. I get a recent high taken out above the zero level. Sorry about that, that's an alarm. Above the 00 level, that's 25 pips above that level. This is 00 level, 25 pips, no, 37 pips above it. Then we have 1 2 inside bar. Then we have this candle giving us an M pattern, 1 1 2 3 4, then breaks the last leg of the M, breaks the 00 level, telling me, oh my god, let's go. Let's go, guys, let's go. So I entered. This actually, I saw as it was reversing, I was stacking and putting in some positions, but this is actually the entry which the pair opens and retraces to the 50. Then you take your stop here, and that is more than 50, man. This is already at this particular area. I was targeting this low, but at this particular area, at this particular point, 51 pips towards the end of the day is good to go. This is 52 pips, then you're good to go. Or is it maybe you can leave something there to run, and it continued down and down and down. I left something though, but I took it out at this particular area. I took it out here when I was seeing this 1 2 pin engulfing. I thought it will reverse a little bit, then I don't want to stay that long. Okay, so that is it. So that was a pair I took. That was a trade I took on the 3rd week of October. All right, guys, I'm sure this I'm sure it's recording. Yeah, I'm sure this will give you a reason to refine your own urge, you know. Put it simple, as I said, simplicity is the key. Put it simple. That's it, guys. See you in the next video. Peace.